Hey folks, it's always a good day when you get a package from Topher with special handling fragile. It's almost Christmas, being November 20th. Oh, look at what we got here. Oh. Let's go with the, looks like we got some rock candy, chocolate meteor rongs. The grandkids are not going to be able to get to this. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Topher. And we got a nice package here with some photos and a COA. Alright, sit right. Nice. Very cool. Sorocho. I'm starting to learn the names. Whether I'm pronouncing them right or not, I have no idea. That's beautiful. That looks like Erg Chech. Am I right? I don't know. Of course, we got the business card. Topher, one of the best guys out there, of course. Yeah. Thank you very much, Topher. Oh, got the sticker. And cut from the ASU type sample from Mark Line. Erg Chech 002, baby. Provenance Mark Line. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I think I know the original source too. But here it is. Let me take it out. Oh, look at that sweet little baby there. Awesome stuff. Thanks again, Topher. Appreciate it. Thanks, Mark.